Welcome back, you guys. On tonight's episode, we're making truffle fries. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Okay, guys, truffle fries. Surprisingly very, very easy to do. All you're gonna need, obviously, potatoes. Huge thing in French fries. You can't make fries without potatoes. I've got russet potatoes here. Just your standard potato, nothing crazy, very simple. And then we have some Parmesan cheese. Just finely grate it yourself. Don't buy the pre-powdered shit. No. And then the star of the show, how you make truffle fries. You need truffle oil. You can't make truffle fries without truffle oil. Yep. You can get this in any supermarket. Any store in the oil section, you're gonna find truffle oil. It is a little bit more pricey. It's worth it though. A little bit goes a long way, so it's gonna last you a long time. And then I have, almost dropped my, can't be dropping that. And then some freshly chopped parsley right here. We're gonna start by cutting our potatoes into fry shape. So to do that very simply, we're gonna lay our potato down and you're just gonna take the tip off right there, tip off that side. We wanna get it into square shape to start off with. And any kind of rounded edges, just go with your knife, boom, just to flatten everything out. And then we're gonna cut it into about, I don't know, 1.5 centimeters, I'll call that. I'm leaving the skins on. I like French fries with skins on. If you prefer them peeled, go for it, that's up to you. I'll do 2 stacks. Come into fry shape. I'm gonna go like medium thickness. Yeah, about that. That's good for me. Look at those, beautiful. Look at those. So just continue doing this all the way through with all your potatoes. All right, next step, we're gonna be frying these. Now, standard deep fryer is like 350, 375. It's super hot, you put it in, it can be a little bit chaotic. Home cooks tend to not like to deep fry, so we're gonna be cold frying, which means we're gonna start at a low temperature and bring the oil up to speed. You don't have to worry about if you put some liquid in a hot oil, it can splatter up, it can get fire everywhere. No bueno, you don't want that. If you've seen, what is it? Like the turkey videos in a turkey deep fryer, boom, big fire. We don't want any of that. We're gonna take all the fear out of it. Even though it's not that scary, grease fire is honestly my favorite type of fire. They're hard to put out and they can get really big. So we're gonna start by putting everything in the pan. Let me make sure that it's on camera first because that would suck. Jesus, I'm getting hooked, fucking A. All right, we got a pot. Here we go. Those go in. And then we're just gonna cover everything with oil. You can use canola oil, you can use soybean oil, you can use vegetable oil, any of those neutral frying oils. Those are like the 3 most popular. Peanut oil is another one. Sunflower seed oil will work too. I'm just using standard canola oil, that's what I like to. So just until everything is covered, I'm gonna get all those fries covered. I'm gonna use this whole bottle, whatever. Now, turn the heat on medium high, let it come up. The nice thing about this method is when you're cooking French fries, to get a really good crispy fried French fry, usually you double fry. So you fry them at a low temperature to cook the inside, and then you take them out, drain them, freeze them, and then fry them at a high temperature to get the outside nice and crispy. This is basically gonna do that. It's gonna start slow so the inside cooked, and then it's gonna get sizzling, bubbling, and hot, and that's when the outside gets nice and crispy. We're gonna wait for these to come up to temperature, and we will have French fries. See you guys then. All right, guys, that's looking perfect. I'm gonna call it. Turn the heat off. I'm gonna scooch these back. Hot. You wanna go right from the hot oil. You wanna get something you can drain them off with. So a slotted spoon, something like this, like a fish scrape that I have, and go right and drain. Full. Look at that. Hear that sound? Sound of fries on metal. Fries on metal. It's a great sound. Let's go. Where'd this one go? Here we go. Hot. All right. Salt. Right on top. Right where the hot oil is. The salt sticks. Salt. Truffle oil. A little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Remember. So thumb on it. Boom. That's it. Not much at all. And then Parmesan cheese. You can go nuts with this. You like a lot of cheese? Go a lot of cheese. Parmesan goes in. Then fresh parsley. And then look at that. Just give it all a toss and look. Let's go in for one. You know what? Let's go in for a bite. Crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, cold frying, takes all the stress away, all the hassle away. Delicious. Guys, even if you don't want to do truffle fries, fine. Regular French fries, same method. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. I'll see you next time. I'm Chef Donny. Peace. Nailed it. I gotta plate this up. Get out of here, I gotta plate this up still.
Now let me try some.
You can try one, I still have to. It's a small one! This one.
No, don't touch it with your hands.
My hands are clean, dickhead!